Hi there, this is my MAC haul. I bought these items on a Debenhams sale. There was about 15% off beauty and fragrances. So here is my MAC stack. These are limited edition items for Christmas. This one, the first one is an eyeshadow. Let's see what colour this is. Look at this nice colour. This one is Firework the Room Extra Dimension eyeshadow. This is another eyeshadow. This one is Cooler Than Being Cool. This one is a highlighter. It is in the shade Let It Glow. And finally, this big one, can you guess what it might be? Ooh. And here we are. It's an eyeshadow palette. Look at the colours. And this one is Rocket to Fame eyeshadow palette. So there we are. All 4 items that I ordered. Look at the packaging, it's so nice. Pretty pink. And one last look at the items. Can't wait to use them. I hope you enjoyed my video and I'll see you in the next one.